Get ready to be amazed because OpenAI has partnered with Figure to create a humanoid robot that will blow your mind. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the technical details of this incredible demo and explore how this robot works. From its autonomous behavior to its advanced reasoning capabilities, we'll cover it all. Now, let's explore the technical aspects of this robot and understand how it operates. All behaviors are learned, not teleoperated. In the past, robot demos were often sped up or controlled by a human operator. However, this demo is different. The robot's behaviors are entirely learned and not teleoperated. This means that the robot's actions are autonomous and not influenced by human control. Vision model and neural network. The robot uses a vision model with an end-to-end neural network to interpret its surrounding environment. By processing images captured by its cameras and transcribing speech from onboard microphones, the robot's multimodal model understands both images and text. Common sense reasoning. One of the most impressive features of this robot is its common sense reasoning. It can make educated guesses about what should happen next based on its perception of the environment. For example, it can infer that dirty dishes on a table should be placed in a drying rack. This ability to reason based on context sets this robot apart. Text-to-speech capabilities. The robot can respond to humans by converting its reasoning into spoken words. The text-to-speech feature allows for seamless conversation between the robot and a person. The natural and human-like quality of the robot's voice is truly remarkable. Precision and stability. The robot's whole-body controller ensures that it can move in a controlled and stable manner. With 200 actions and 1 kHz joint torques, the robot can make smooth and precise movements, quickly adapting to changes in its environment. The impressive progress. It's important to acknowledge the remarkable progress that Figure has achieved in just 18 months. From a concept to a fully functioning humanoid robot, Figure has demonstrated incredible speed and innovation. This demo is a testament to their dedication and expertise. The future of robotics. This demo has shaken the robotics industry and raised the bar for what is possible. With OpenAI and Figure leading the way, we can expect to see even more impressive advancements in the field of robotics. As the technology continues to evolve, we may witness robots performing complex tasks with human-like dexterity and reasoning. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you're as amazed as we are by this demo, share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of robotics.